Let's see this recording. Yeah, it's guys. All right, so today I want to tell you guys. Let me show you here the massive audio, guys. Not the regular ones I now want to work on. This is a sumo. Alright, let me show you. Oh my goodness, alright, guys. Don't worry, I don't have time to fix this. Okay, no, this is a HIPPO. So, guys, massive audio HIPPO 50, 150, 152R. So, this is the 15-inch, and this means 2 ohms. So this is dual 2 ohms, guys. 600 watt max. That's what it says. Right, guys. Massive audio. Alright, guys. So right now, alright, let me show you guys how I take out the spider. I have a knife here, and I bent it like, I give it a little bend so that I can go underneath the spider, guys. And I find a little spot I can get underneath, like, alright. With this one, I'm gonna go underneath the glue because this, what tendency. This is carbon fiber, but this is the flexible one. This is really flexible. It's not the hard one. So yeah, I don't want. If I go on top, you could see where it's coming apart a little bit, like it's filling out, or what you want to call it. So right now, what I do, I find a spotlight here, guys. All right, so you see, yeah, and I go under the spider. This spider is sometimes easy to come off just because this one it have a second one to it, so they don't really spin. This guy did start it a little, but not. Yeah. Alright. You can see, guys, it does have a next spider. Alright, so our next dust cap, guys. Next dust cap. And look, we could take this off like this. See that? This comes right off the cone. Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, so that is off. That dust cap is off. Let me show you again, guys, what's happening here. This I see this coming out, poking out, guys. This is a vice coil. So I think this is going to need a voice coil. Sometime I can fix it. It depends on how bad it is, how damaged it is. So for now, I'll cut this out right here, guys. But I'm not gonna cut it as yet. I'm gonna show you guys how I take these apart, which is not that easy. So I draw the knife alongside here, guys, straight to the side to cut the glue. Sometimes that's easier to get underneath this thing here. I don't cut these, guys, because I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna use it back. It's just the voice coil I'm gonna be replacing, and this one I have 2 of them. The other one needs a spider. I hate to see when these guys just rip the knife. These guys, but where I'm from, we don't do like that, guys, because these things are hard to come by and stuff like that, and they're very expensive when they do have them. This guy, where I'm from, in Jamaica, you could get the voice coil to make really quick, but like coal like these, coming on these, you don't normally get these that easily, unless somebody overseas ship it to you and stuff like that. But you get replacement for it, though. Definitely you get some replacement, good replacement to get sometimes. Yeah. Some replacement, you can upgrade your stuff if it's not, and you could sometimes when it's just the voice coil, you go to the Maple and you go to Mikey or Dwayne. Yeah. Yeah, so you make a voice coil. The cone you go to Miss Carter or Archie, Paula. Yeah, Archie and Paula, yeah. So you get your stuff. Whew. This guys, I'm gonna start sweating in a minute here, guys. Definitely going to start sweating like crazy. It's not easy, guys. Not easy at all. tighten this thing up. So we use the silicone type of glue here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Try the knife along the edge, guys. While you go, every time you're going to start a new section, yeah, you do that. You do that, stick to the wall of it. So it comes out really easy. Try not to tear this, to lift this too high when you're doing it. You will damage the surround. And you don't want to do that. So here I'm trying to save you guys some money than to buy a new cone. And this one is really good, you know, it's not bad. You gotta look up the drop-in for this, guys. Sometimes they have the drop-in, but I don't know. The drop-in normally expensive, like $400 and stuff like that for this one. Oh, man. Right. Alright, guys. Almost at another milestone, guys. Almost. Oh, yeah, yeah. Alright, so I think, oh, that wasn't so bad. Yeah, so even this one, this feel a little, I wonder if I should let him get a cone. I think I have one replacement, maybe. Whew, this guy, as I told you, yeah, getting sweat, guys. Yeah, it's really getting sweat right now. Whew, yes, yes. Alright, so this is the next part, guys. This spider is bolted down with some Allen key screws here. So this is a little tricky part, guys. Let me see which one of these again uses a couple out here. And alright, so this one here. Try this one. This one too. Both of them is the same, guys. So yeah, these are gonna go around. This part, guys, is gonna take a long time. Believe me. So, right. I'm gonna take one of them out and then I come back to you guys. Hmm. Some of them they have glue on them too, so you know they put some glue to lock it in place. Mhm. Woo. Guys, I'm taking this one out, removing this one, then I do this, come from this side. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, okay, alright, it's a little way of doing it. And this is gonna take up some time, really. Damn. Hmm. Just if I try to do it from here, that's the reason why I always do like this, guys. I can't do it from the top here. It's gonna be at an angle, which is not. It's you have to bend the cone, and you don't want to bend the cone, guys. You don't want to bend. You don't bending the cone. Definitely not. Hmm. Come on. Jeez, please. Hmm. This thing is. I'm sorry, guys, if I didn't let that focus a little bit just now. Yeah, I think it's gonna be like 30 minutes just doing this. Uh, some people do it. They don't have that much patience, guys. Like me, I don't know. This patient are just used to doing this, and I have to do it. I love doing it. Not really love doing it, but I have to do it. That's where I make my money. That's the way, guys. This you don't have to come all the way out with it, guys. Like me, know I know where to stop and start with another one because once you come out of the frame, you could know you do. Yeah, you know. I know where to go like that. I would say half of an inch or so. Uh, yep. So I start with another one now. Alright. Hold on, guys. I have one. Hold on a minute. Let me see. I think I did. I bought something the other day for just this kind of an occasion. Just let's see if I could find it now. No, where's that? All right, guys. This, and I could put this in the drill if I find one to fit this little thing here. This is not Allen key, but it goes inside of it. So this goes inside. Maybe this works, maybe not. Oh yeah, come on. Right. Let's see. All right. Huh. Yeah. So I'm gonna take it all the way out, guys. That's where it works, guys. Yeah. Here. It's another one like, come on. This is a star point, guys. That's why this one is not the Allen key, so it's giving a hard time to come out here. See? It's the star, so yeah. But I can't find the Allen key, so I'm gonna just do this. Guys. Ooh, that's short. Oh man. You guys, you don't wanna ring that out, how you call it, guys. So let me take it from that one, try another one. And let's see if I got a little lucky, guys. A little lucky. Which way should I go again? No, no shot. Damn. Yeah, these one are not moving like that, guys. So that just helped me remove like one. So I hope I don't mess up the trimming, guys. Then I have to use pliers if I do. Oh man. What I got lucky, guys. Only one. Oh man. Wow, I kind of ring that one out, guys, a little bit. Alright, guys. In a minute, I'll be back, guys. I'll be back.